Welcome back, everybody, to another deep dive. This time we're diving into Systeme.io and how it can be a great platform for seniors to build a business online.
It's really interesting, how System.io is sort of meeting this growing need, right? There's more and more seniors who are looking to either supplement their income or explore new passions in retirement.
Yeah.
But they're often faced with a bunch of challenges, right? Like
Mm.
with technology and finances.
Yeah, definitely.
And System.io seems to really try to tackle those challenges head on.
Yeah. The sources right away point out the fact that Systeme.io has a free plan and it's pretty generous,
Yeah.
which I think is a big plus for seniors who are maybe on a fixed income or who are just kind of cautious about investing in new tools.
Yeah, absolutely. And, the free plan is not just like a limited trial.
Right.
It's a pretty robust platform that lets you actually launch and run like a basic online business. You can create landing pages, you can send email newsletters, and even set up sales funnels, all without spending any money. So that lets seniors really kind of test the waters and build some confidence and see if online business is even right for them before they even have to, commit financially.
Now, you mentioned sales funnels.
Yeah,
Can you break that down a little bit for our listener?
sure.
What would a sales funnel look like for someone, say, who's selling like handmade crafts online?
Yeah, that's a great question. So think of a sales funnel, like a guided path that you create to lead potential customers towards a purchase.
Okay.
So in the example of a craft business, right, it might start with a free blog post about the benefits of handmade items.
Okay.
And that post could then direct those readers to a landing page where you're showcasing your unique crafts,
Okay.
and then finally to a checkout page where they can make a purchase.
Okay.
And so System.io lets you kind of build that entire flow within the platform.
So it streamlines the process
Yeah.
of turning those visitors into customers who are actually paying.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. Now, another thing that stood out in the sources was this all-in-one concept. What exactly does that mean for someone who might be a little overwhelmed by like juggling all these different online tools?
Yeah, so imagine having all your essential business tools under one digital roof,
Okay.
right? So instead of using separate platforms for email marketing, website building, sales processing, System.io just combines it all seamlessly.
Hmm.
So this really eliminates the need for those complicated integrations, which can be a real headache
Yeah.
for anyone, really, let alone seniors who might be less familiar with technology.
Right. That's such a relief. No more like copying and pasting code or trying to figure out how to connect these different platforms.
Exactly.
Now, but wouldn't that limit your options?
Uh-huh.
What if you find like a really specific email marketing tool that you really like,
Yeah.
or you want to use a particular website builder?
Yeah, that's a great point and a valid concern. And while System.io does offer a really comprehensive suite of tools, they do prioritize that integrated system.
Okay.
However, they do offer some integrations with popular third-party tools. So it might not be as seamless as using everything within System.io, but it does give you some flexibility.
Okay, good to know. Now, you mentioned that System.io handles website building as well.
Yeah,
I can only imagine that being a huge hurdle for a lot of seniors
sure.
who maybe don't have any coding experience.
Yeah.
Is it truly user-friendly, even for someone who's never built a website before?
Yeah, that's where System.io really shines. They have this drag and drop website builder that makes creating a professional looking site incredibly easy,
Okay.
even for complete beginners.
Wow.
It's kind of like, think of it like arranging virtual building blocks.
Okay.
You choose the elements you want, like your text, images, videos, and you drag and drop them onto your page. You can customize fonts, colors, layouts, all without needing any coding knowledge at all.
That's great.
My own mother, she's not very tech savvy at all, but she managed to build a beautiful website for her baking business using System.io.
Oh, wow. Impressive.
Yeah,
That sounds like something even my dad, who still struggles with email,
right.
could handle. But wouldn't designing a website from scratch still be really time-consuming,
Yeah.
especially for seniors who maybe have other commitments?
Yeah. That's where System.io's templates come in handy.
Oh,
They offer all these pre-designed templates for various types of websites, from blogs and portfolios to online shops. And these templates really provide a framework, so you don't have to start from a completely blank page.
okay.
You can just simply choose a template that aligns with your business and customize it with your own content and branding.
Okay, so templates.
Gotcha.
That's like having a pre-built house instead of starting with a pile of lumber.
Exactly.
I can definitely see the appeal there.
Especially for someone who wants to get their online presence up and running quickly.
Yeah, it takes the guesswork out of the design and saves you a ton of time so that seniors can really focus on, what they do best, sharing their expertise, crafting their products, or connecting with their audience.
Okay, so we've got the free plan, we've got the all-in-one convenience.
The user-friendly website building with the templates.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else that makes Systeme.io really stand out for seniors?
Well, one thing that comes to mind is the emphasis on automation.
Hmm.
We talked about how it simplifies those sales funnels,
Right.
but it goes beyond that.
Okay.
System.io can automate a ton of different tasks, like adding new subscribers to your email list,
Oh, wow.
sending out those welcome emails, and even delivering digital products.
Hmm.
So this frees up seniors from, a lot of the more tedious and repetitive aspects of running a business online,
Right.
giving them more time to focus on the more creative and enjoyable parts.
That's valuable, especially for someone who's maybe got limited time or energy.
Exactly.
It's like having a virtual assistant taking care of all that stuff in the background.
Precisely. And it ensures that things run smoothly even when you're not actively working on your business.
Yeah.
And, this can be really helpful for seniors who might be managing their online ventures alongside other commitments. Or maybe just want a bit more flexibility in their schedules.
Right.
They want to play golf in the afternoon.
Oh,
or
yeah.
spend time with their grandkids. They don't want to be tied to their computer all day.
Makes sense.
So let's talk a little bit about how System.io empowers seniors to really track their progress without getting lost in the weeds of data.
Because that data can be pretty intimidating,
It can.
especially for folks who aren't exactly, digital natives.
Yeah.
Is this something that seniors really need to worry about? I mean, wouldn't it be easier to just focus on creating great content or products and let the sales take care of themselves?
While that passion and creativity is really essential, understanding your audience and how they interact with your business is really crucial for that sustainable growth.
Okay.
But you don't have to worry, it doesn't have to involve complicated spreadsheets or all that technical jargon.
Right.
System.io makes data analysis so much simpler and
Yeah.
makes it accessible and insightful for everyone, regardless of their tech skills.
That's good to hear. But how does it make data less daunting for seniors?
Right.
Like, I'm picturing my dad trying to decipher some complex, analytics report.
Oh, yeah.
It would be pretty.
System.io's analytics dashboard is designed with that user-friendliness in mind.
Okay.
So it presents that key information in a really clear and visual way. So, for example, you can easily see how many people are visiting your website,
Okay.
which pages they're looking at, and how long they're staying.
Got it.
You can track email open rates, click-through rates, sales conversions.
Okay.
All of that is presented in these easy-to-understand charts and graphs.
Hmm.
So it's really simple to grasp, that overall performance of your business.
So instead of getting bogged down in all those raw numbers, seniors can just kind of get a quick sense of what's working and what might need a little tweaking.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Imagine a senior running an online coaching business.
Okay.
By looking at that analytics dashboard, they can immediately see which blog posts are attracting the most readers, which free resources are being downloaded most frequently,
Right.
and which sales pages are actually converting visitors into paying clients.
Interesting.
So that data really provides these valuable insights into, their target audience's preferences and behaviors.
Okay.
And it lets them tailor their content and marketing efforts much more effectively.
So it's not just about collecting the numbers.
Right.
It's about using those numbers
Right.
to actually make strategic choices
Exactly.
that can help grow a business.
Precisely. And System.io takes it a step further by offering insights and recommendations based on that data.
Oh, wow.
So, for instance, it might suggest sending a targeted email campaign to people who abandon their shopping cart,
Okay.
or creating a new blog post on a topic that's generating a lot of interest.
That's amazing. It's like having a built-in business advisor.
Exactly.
It's like, helping seniors make those data-driven decisions without needing to go back to school and get a degree in, data analytics.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, the source material also mentioned affiliate marketing
Yeah.
as a potential income stream.
Uh-huh.
How does System.io support this, especially for seniors who might be completely new to this idea?
So affiliate marketing can be a fantastic way for seniors to really leverage their existing networks and interests
Okay.
to generate income.
Okay.
It essentially involves, promoting other people's products or services
Oh, good.
and earning a commission on any sales that are made through your unique referral link.
Got it.
And System.io makes managing this entire process incredibly easy with its built-in affiliate program management tools.
So instead of having to sign up for separate affiliate networks or use like complicated tracking software.
Uh,
It's all kind of right there.
it's all right there in Systeme.io.
Okay, cool. So you can create your own affiliate program.
Yep.
You can recruit partners to promote your products,
Yep.
track their sales,
Yep.
manage commissions all in one place.
All in one place. That's the beauty of it.
Can you give our listener just a real-life example of how a senior might actually use this?
Sure.
Through Systeme.io.
So let's say a senior is really passionate about, a healthy aging,
Okay.
and they've built a following through their blog on natural remedies.
Okay.
They could partner with companies that sell organic supplements
Gotcha.
or fitness programs or even books on mindfulness.
Mhm.
And then they can promote these products through their blog posts, email newsletters, or social media channels
Okay.
using their unique affiliate links that are provided by Systeme.io.
Got it.
And every time someone makes a purchase through their link, they earn a commission.
So it's a win-win.
Exactly.
The senior gets to recommend products that they believe in
Right.
and potentially earn some passive income,
Mm-hmm.
and the companies benefit from increased exposure and sales.
Exactly. And it allows seniors to really monetize their passions and expertise
Okay.
without having to create their own products or services. It's a very low-risk way to explore those different income streams and kind of expand their online business horizons.
Now, we've talked a lot about the technical aspects
Right.
of Systeme.io,
Mm-hmm.
but the source material also highlights the importance of community.
Yeah.
Can you elaborate on that a little bit, especially in the context of, senior entrepreneurs?
Sure. Systeme.io has fostered this really vibrant online community,
Right.
particularly through their active Facebook groups.
Mm-hmm.
And these groups provide a space for users to connect with each other, ask questions, share tips, celebrate successes, and just offer support.
Yeah.
And for seniors who might be new to this online world, that sense of community is so valuable.
I can imagine, it can feel kind of isolating
It can.
to embark on this journey all alone,
Yeah.
especially if you're not surrounded by people who really understand the challenges and triumphs of, running an online business.
Absolutely. These online communities can be such a source of encouragement and inspiration. And practical advice seniors can learn from each other's experiences, troubleshoot technical issues together,
Yeah.
and just build relationships with like-minded individuals who share that passion for entrepreneurship.
So it's like having a virtual support group
Exactly.
for your online business.
That's a great way to put it.
Something that traditional brick-and-mortar businesses often lack.
Right.
So it's not just about the software itself.
Right.
It's about that human connection that makes the journey a little less daunting and a lot more enjoyable.
Exactly. And that's what really sets Systeme.io apart.
Mm.
It's not just a platform, it's a whole ecosystem
Okay.
that nurtures growth collaboration and a real sense of belonging.
That's a great point to kind of end on for this part of our deep dive. We've explored how Systeme.io simplifies data analysis, empowers seniors to explore affiliate marketing, and really fosters this supportive community, which can be super valuable for those new to online business. Welcome back to the final part of our deep dive into Systeme.io for seniors. So we've covered a lot.
We have.
User-friendly interface, supportive community. But what does it all really mean? Why should seniors in particular care about this platform?
I think the beauty of Systeme.io is that it allows seniors to embrace this digital world and all the opportunities that it offers without feeling overwhelmed or intimidated.
Okay.
It really levels the playing field,
Yeah.
makes online business accessible to everyone regardless of their age or their technical background.
I'm thinking about my own parents. They're both retired. They're active and engaged, but I wonder if they might find a renewed sense of purpose in building an online business.
And that's the exciting part.
Yeah.
It's not just about keeping busy. It's about staying relevant, contributing to the world, and maybe even discovering hidden talents or passions that they never had time for before.
Yeah.
And Systeme.io provides all those tools and support to turn those dreams into reality.
It's like a second act. A chance to reinvent themselves and explore new horizons.
Exactly. And it's not just about the potential for income, although that's certainly a benefit.
Yeah.
It's about the personal growth, the satisfaction of creating something from scratch, and the joy of connecting with this global audience.
So for our listener who's been with us this whole time absorbing all this information, what's the next step? What would you say to someone who's really intrigued by System.io, but maybe still a little hesitant to take that first step?
I would say don't let fear hold you back.
Hmm,
Remember, System.io has that generous free plan.
right.
There is no financial risks involved in just exploring the platform and seeing if it's right for you.
Hmm.
Sign up, play around with the features, and you might be surprised by how intuitive and empowering it can be.
Yeah, it's like taking a car for a test drive
Exact.
before you make any commitment.
That's right.
And who knows, you might discover a whole new world of possibilities waiting for you online as we wrap up this deep dive. I want to leave our listener with a thought-provoking question. What kind of online business could you create with System.io, given its ease of use and diverse features?
Yeah. What knowledge, skills, or passions could you share with the world?
Hmm.
The possibilities are truly endless.
Maybe you've always wanted to write a cookbook or teach a language or sell your handcrafted jewelry.
Mm-hmm.
System.io can provide that platform to make those dreams a reality.
That's right.
And remember, you don't have to have all the answers right now.
Nope.
The journey of entrepreneurship is all about learning, experimenting, and growing along the way.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Well, to make that first step even easier, we've included a link to System.io's free plan in the episode description. So click that link, sign up, and start exploring. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve.
Take that leap of faith. You won't regret it.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into System.io for seniors. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep diving into the world of possibilities.